Hello, my beautiful friends. I have a WeeBox unboxing. I think I forgot to do last month because I was really busy. So I didn't want to forget this month. I did unpack it already, and I actually broke into it, and you'll find out why in a minute. So the theme for this month is Harry Potter, um, but it's actually more about, I think, all the movies that sort of take place, and Harry Potter, is one of them. I have to admit, and perhaps they're going to take away my English professor card, but I have never read Harry Potter, nor have I watched it. I am, if you've watched the channel, you know this. I am skeptical of movies that talk about wizards and witches and fairies because I don't think that they contribute to the positive history or the negative history. I think they sensationalize, and I'm not a huge fan. So I haven't seen a lot of movies that my nieces think I should see. What's the one? The one with the Bette Midler. I haven't seen that one either. So anyway, it has this amazing book, and I just want to point some things out about the book. They always do such a nice job with this book. There's always a welcome message from Amy McCusker, who is the founder of WeeBox, and she always has a little message, and there's always music that goes along, and I love that everything is wrapped in the Herald newspaper, which is part of their upcycling initiative, and of course, I love reading it, and every once in a while, they send me, like, full sections of the paper. It's great, but I found out today that I can actually subscribe to the newspaper, so I'm going to do that because they are partners with WeeBox, and I love WeeBox. So it's just really, there's just really great information. It kind of tells you what's in the box, and then it has really good pictures and all kinds of interesting information. This is an article about different movies that are set in Scotland and some famous pictures. And then, of course, there's a whole thing about Harry Potter, and a new artist that they've commissioned, who made this fabulous print that I'm going to show you. And it's there's always a recipe and an article about somebody, and it's just a really, really great book. And then there's something here about learning Gaelic. I've been trying to use Duolingo to learn Gaelic, and there's a resource here that I'm going to check out. And so I just, the next box is the Samhain box, which the Samhain box never disappoints. So if you only want to get WeeBox one time, I recommend getting the Samhain box. But you're going to fall in love with the box and want to get the box every month because it's just terrific. So the book is great, and it's great reading. So in this particular box, there was, this is kind of like American fudge, but it's called tablet. It doesn't have like the creamy milkiness of American fudge, or I don't know if fudge is American, to be honest, but it doesn't have that. It's a little bit drier, but it's usually delicious. This is made from Irn Brew, which is, like they say in the book, it's the second most popular drink in Scotland. The first I'm imagining is whiskey. I would like whiskey flavored scotch. Can I have that in the next box, please? I'm not a fan of Irn Brew. I had it when I was in Scotland. I'm not a big soda drinker anyway, so that's probably part of it. I did try a piece with my mother-in-law. I didn't care for it, but my son likes it, and he is going to take over this box. I like the design of the box. It's very Harry Potter inspired, I guess. But I didn't care for that. But I like the box, and I think people who like Irn Brew are going to love the tablet. So the next thing in the box is this beautiful, I love stags, I love deer. I find a spiritual connection to deer, which apparently is a Scottish thing. And there's this beautiful sterling silver pendant. I don't know if you can see it. Maybe I need to take it out of here so that you can see it a little bit better, but it's so pretty. And that sucker's going to get caught in my hair. But what I've done with the other ones is I put them on a chain and I have them in my office because I don't want to break or lose them. But they're just so pretty. I mean, this is such a pretty one. So I will figure out how to get that in later. And then we have this beautiful print. So that's going right on my altar back here. I love it. I love the stag. And then there's this, I don't know if it's a tablecloth or a tapestry. I don't know if I'm holding it upside down. I'm probably holding it upside down. But apparently this is a scene from Harry Potter. I'm thinking. I don't know. You'll have to tell me. But I really, really like it, and I'm going to use it on my coffee table. Because I need a cloth for that. And it's cool. I like it. I like trains, so it'll fit. And then the other things, I think that was everything that came, and then you got extra surprises. So, let's see, we have the pendant, the tea towel. It's a tea towel. I'm going to use it on my coffee table. The Highland Stag print and the tablet, and then a surprise 5th gift for you. So I actually got 2 extra surprises. I got this gorgeous little Coo stirring stick. And, you know, I drink tea, so I'm going to be using that baby. She's so cute. And then I have this dish. Now, I actually have another one like this. This is from a previous box, but I have that one at work. And I always struggle with, I want to bring it home, but I have paper clips on it. So now I have one for here at the house. So now I have 2 of them, so I'm very excited. And I love WeeBox. I can't wait for the Samhain version. But I definitely think that if you want to try just a different box for the Samhain season, definitely recommend, you know, getting WeeBox. Once you get one, you're going to want them every month because they're fantastic. I have high hopes that one day they'll do a bagpipe box. I think they plan their boxes out pretty far in advance. So WeeBox, if you're watching, bagpipe box, that would be great. And in my box, put bagpipes. Or reeds. Or, I don't know. I'd be happy for anything, really. Anyway, I love WeeBox, and you will too. I will leave a link for how you can get your own WeeBox, and I'm wishing you all the very best and light and love. Be well. Take care. Bye-bye.